And we're back with our trusty web manuals hoodies.
Hello everybody, it's good to see you all. We hope you are enjoying this middle of the year. It is now June and I am accompanied by Hedwig from the product team. So this is a little bit of a special release, and that's also why we are here in this beautiful field in Sweden. Yes?
Yeah.
And what is it that's so magical about Sweden and the weather?
It can always change.
And who knows, it might be a thunderstorm in only a few minutes, so we do need to hurry. And Hedwig, about this release, what is it we need to keep in mind?
This is the last release before the summer.
Yes.
So this will be released in June, and then we will have a little bit of a break, some time to work on bigger projects, improvements, bug fixes, and then we will come back with another release the end of August.
Correct. So it's a 2-month release. That is what we call the summer release. So we work over the summer. We give our developers a little bit of extra time to focus on things without having to merge and test everything all the time. So we are, of course, very much looking forward to the release in August as well. But without further ado, let's jump in and look at improvements.
Okay, so for the improvements of this release.
Yes, the first one, it's a short improvement list, unfortunately, but we do have some good ones for you. So the first one, a very, very requested item that we have finally implemented, and that is that readers will now be able to see their change requests. They will have a card on their dashboard where they will be able to see their own change requests. And in the reader, when you're on a page that has change requests connected to them, you will also be able to see the change requests there. To take it one step further and make everything a little bit more clear, we also added states for the change requests. So a change request can now be in to do, it can be rejected, and it can be completed. So that means that the editors will be able to, when they fix or reject a change request, they will be able to change the state, allowing the readers to see what is going on with my change requests. We hope that will be very, very helpful for a lot of you and make everybody requesting this very, very happy. Over to you.
Right. So next improvement is that in the reader, when headings were too long in the type of content, the names would be cut off and not fully visible, which is a problem.
Yes.
But now when hovering over a heading in the TOC, the full chapter name will be displayed in a little tooltip.
Very nice. We hope you enjoy that as well.
Oh, that reminds me, bug fixes.
Yes.
So for this month, we have quite a few impactful bug fixes. So first of all, we have a fix with the compliance library export log. So previously, when using the compliance library export log, the output did not adhere to the set date range. Now the result will be an export of only the set date month.
Yes, whereas before it would give you a much longer array of items. So we're very happy to see that for everybody using the export log. For single sign-on, we have a few things as well. We had an issue where single sign-on users would be prevented from logging in if they also had their user connected to web manuals and the password was set to expire. So the web manuals password were expired, but the single sign-on was working, and that caused the user to not being able to log in. This is now fixed, so now single sign-on users will be able to log in no matter what they're set to with their web manuals password. On another thing, we have the option to activate or deactivate the show revision bar for page numbers. We encountered that had gone missing. And of course, we've been looking for it, high and low, and we found it. And now it should be back in its proper place. And this, of course, means that for your page numbers, if pages changes in a chapter and the page number changes, you can decide if you want to have a revision bar next to the page number or not. So now you can choose that again.
Right. When uploading a new revision of a PDF file document, we now ensure that cross-references to removed pages in the new revision actually stay.
Yes.
There are now warnings giving a clear indication of links that link to removed pages, and this is made even clearer to the editor with warnings in the cross-reference side panel.
Yes, so now you won't have links going to pages that are deleted without actually having a warning about it, which is very, very positive. And when we're talking about uploading file documents or new revisions of PDF file documents, we have another small change for you, because kind of the same issue for compliance libraries. So if you had a PDF file and you had compliance connections to that file, when you made a new revision and you had pages removed or headings removed or changed, the warnings would not appear. This they now will be, though one caveat, it won't happen in this release, it will happen in a hotfix tomorrow or probably the day after, but we are estimating within 2 days. But we did want to bring it here because it has been brought to our attention by quite a few people. And we have one more, right, Hedvig?
Absolutely. So this is for the last sync date in devices. This has previously not updated correctly, and we have now fixed this. So when users download or update the documents in the app, the dates will actually update correctly.
Yes, so now your devices list will have the correct dates that actually match when the last sync happened, which again is very positive, especially for an audit. That's all we had for you for this one. We wish you a wonderful summer, and we do hope that the weather holds all the way into September. And why is that?
From Go Digital.
Yes, exactly. Go Digital is in September in EMEA. Remember to sign up. We're looking forward to seeing you. And whether or not we do or we don't, we wish you a wonderful summer.